Okay, for this video, we're just going to pick up where we left off from the last one. So we are looking at a speed time graph, and we want to know when it's decelerating. So when is it slowing down over time? So what we're going to look for is we're going to look for when the slope is negative. So any time that your slope is pointing down. So again, if this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis, it's any time that line is pointing downwards. So when we go to look at this graph, I can see 1, 2, again, 3 different points when it is decelerating or has a negative acceleration or is slowing down. So one point is from time 15 to time 20. So this little time segment right here. So it's got a negative acceleration right in through here because it's pointing down. So just like before, I want you to find one other point and fill in the time. So say it's from time this to this. Next part is when we're looking at a speed time graph. How can you tell if an object is at a constant speed? So if you're going a constant speed, you have the same speed over time. So like you're going 35 meters per second for an hour. That would be a constant speed. So what we're looking for is when the slope of the line is 0 or it's a completely flat line. So there's only 2 points on this graph when this occurs. And it will look something like this. Again, it has to be completely flat. So 1 point is from time 25 to time 30. So it's this time right in here. What I want you to do is find the other point, again, just like what we've been doing, and fill in the 2 times. For this last one, we're going to look at and how you know if an object is stopped. For this, so it's any time when the line is at 0 or touches the x-axis. So on this graph, there's only 1 point when this happens. So I'm going to draw an example off to the side. So if we've got our speed here along the side, we've got time as we go on. And so we have a car that's accelerating, holding constant, has a negative acceleration, has a positive acceleration, and then is holding a constant speed again. There are 3 instances on this graphic here of when they've technically stopped. So it's going to be here at this point, here at this point, and during this constant speed in here. So again, you're just looking for times when it's crossed this x-axis right in through here. So again, the only point is from time blank to blank, and I want you guys to tell me when that time is. Now what you guys can do is you should be able to answer all of the study guide and finish up all of those questions.